Nito lamang Lunes, ginawaran ng lokal na pamahalaan ng pagkilala ang 10 outstanding young women of Baguio City. Ang nasabing parangal ay kaugnay pa rin sa katatapos na National Women's Month kung saan ipinagdiriwang ang di matatawarang kontribusyon ng mga kababaihan sa pag-unlad ng ating lipunan.
We have made this search to recognize our young women who give contribution in our city.
10 kabataang babae ang ginawaran ng pagkilala ng lungsod, dala ng kanilang inisyatibo tungo sa pagbabago at sa pagpapaunlad ng ating mahal na lungsod ng Baguio.
This is a great honor to be recognized by the city of Baguio as one of the 10 outstanding young women. Young women of today is to actually speak up, come together, act collectively to address our issues and challenges.
Ang mga pagkilalang tulad nito ay isang patunay na hindi hadlang ang edad sa paghahatid ng pagbabago.
The reason is not just only to recognize them, but also to give inspiration to other women that even though they are young, even though they are women, they can make change and they can do service to the people, especially to the people of Baguio. Well, for all our women, it is high time that since the state recognizes them as a powerful entity, let us exhaust or let us maximize our abilities as women to make change not only in ourselves, but to make change for our families, for our peers, and for the city.
Bagaman tapos na ang National Women's Month, patuloy na ipinagmamalaki ng lokal na pamahalaan ang lahat ng kababaihan sa lungsod na ito. Conan Golapa para sa PIO Baguio Balita.